How's it going, guys? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create a age verification script. So all the things you're gonna need is this HTML form, which you can get at the lastschool.org slash downloads. So once you have that, you want to create your PHP syntax. The first thing we're gonna check is if the button has been set. So if it's set $_ inside here, we're gonna add the name of the button, which is submit btn, and your script should look something like mine for now. And once you have that, we want to get the values that were sent over from the post. So we want to create a new variable called month, and we're gonna set this to the month. Let me just copy this, copy, paste, change this to day, this to year, and now we're gonna create another if statement to check if the user has entered their birthday. So if month equals month, or day equals day, or year equals year, we're gonna do something here, and else something here. So inside here, we're gonna give them an error. So echo, please enter your birth date. So that gives them an error, and inside here we want to get their birthday and turn it into a seconds. So we're gonna create a variable called seconds. We're gonna set this to mk time. Inside here we're gonna add 0, 0, 0, the variable month, the variable day, and the variable year. Once we have that, oh well, let me explain why I added 0, 0, 0. Because mk time takes in the hour, the minute, the second, the month, and the day, or in the year, I mean. So we don't have the hour and the minute and the second. So instead of leaving it blank, because it's gonna give us an error, we're gonna add 0, 0, 0. So now that we have that, we want to get the difference between the time now and their birthday. So create a variable called diff equals time minus seconds. I think yeah. Alright, so now that we have the difference, we wanna get their age. So in order to get the age, we're gonna create a variable called age, and we're gonna set it to floor, and inside here we're gonna add diff divided by the seconds in a year, which are this. So we're gonna copy this and we're gonna paste it now that we have that, the age should be something like 18, 17, whatever your age is. So let's echo this. First, let's save this. Go to our localhost, refresh. So let's test this out. So if the user didn't enter their birthday and clicked enter, please enter your birthday. So now let's enter a birthday. So January 1, 2010, 2. That's good. So as you can see, we get a whole number. The reason why is because we're using um, the PHP function floor. So if we take this out and leave it like this, it's gonna give us some number with decimals. As you can see, it has given us a number with decimals, and we don't want that. We want to give them a number with whole numbers. So we're gonna use the function floor. So as you can see, it's working. So what you guys want to do now is check if the user's over 13. If they are, we're gonna send them somewhere. If they're not, we're gonna uh, exit them out. So if age is over 13, greater than 13, we're gonna echo welcome. Else, we're gonna echo goodbye. So now we're gonna check if they're young or old. So let's refresh this. Now let's enter January 1, 2010. This should say goodbye. Goodbye. Alright, so now let's enter January 1, 1990. This should say welcome. Welcome. So as you can see, this is working. You could add some CSS to it, make it look nice.